Good morning everyone. I welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Brilliant Study. We are studying the chapter carbon and its compounds, and today we will study about ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, the special compound. Ethanoic acid, its common name is acetic acid. Acetic acid, and its formula will be CH3COOH, CH3COOH, and if we try to draw its structure, then we find its structure is C single bond, C single bond, single bond, single bond with hydrogens, and CH3, CH3, CO, C double bond O, again single bond O, single bond H. This is the structure of ethanoic acid or acetic acid. You can see easily that this is an carboxylic group. Here carboxylic functional group is attached in this compound, so its functional group is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Now discuss about the properties of ethanoic acid. First, we will study about physical properties of ethanoic acid. Physical property. Its first characteristic is it is a colorless liquid. Colorless liquid. And if we talk its melting point or boiling point, melting point is 16.6 degrees Celsius and its boiling point is 117.9 degree Celsius. And another property is when it is 100% pure, when the ethanoic acid or the acetic acid is 100% pure, in this condition or in this state, the acid will be in solid state. It will be in solid state. In that time it will call glacial acetic acid. Glacial acetic acid. And its 4% solution or its 4% dilution is known as vinegar. Now study about chemical properties or the chemical characteristic of ethanoic acid. Chemical properties. In the chemical properties we will study about different types of reactions. So let us understand the first chemical reaction. The first chemical reaction is esterification. Esterification. That means reaction of ethanoic acid with ethanol. That means reaction with ethanoic acid with ethanol. Now understand with the equation. When acetic acid CH3COOH or ethanoic acid, it reacts with ethanol. We know that the formula for ethanol is C2H5OH. It can be written in this format also. So we write in this format. It is ethanol. When these two compounds are reacted to each other, in this time H from here and OH from ethanol will remove from this and will form H2O, and the rest term CH3COO C2H5 will form. This is the formula of ester. Its name will be ethyl acetate ester. Since in this reaction ester forms, so this reaction is known as esterification. That means the reaction between ethanoic acid and ethanol, when it completes, ester will form, and this reaction will be called esterification. Next reaction is reaction with base. When ethanoic acid CH3COOH will be reacted with an base, for example take NaOH. The NaOH may be written or can be written in this format also. So when acetic acid or ethanoic acid will react a base sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, in this case the same reaction will happen, and in this case water will be removed out first and then it will form CH3COO and Na. It will form sodium acetate or sodium ethanoate and water. Actually sodium ethanoate or sodium acetate is a salt, and in this case acid and base reacts and forms salt and water. This is also an example of neutralization reaction. It is ethanoic acid and it is sodium hydroxide. The next reaction is reaction with metal carbonate. Reaction with carbonate or metal carbonate. CH3COOH ethanoic acid. When it reacts with a metal carbonate, for example sodium carbonate Na2CO3, when these two compounds or molecule reacts to each other, it will form, first of all it will form water and carbon dioxide. Here two molecules of ethanoic acid will take part in this reaction and will form one molecule of water, one molecule of carbon dioxide and two molecule of CH3COO. Again, one molecule of hydrogen, one molecule of carbon dioxide, and two molecule of CH3COO and that means sodium acetate or sodium ethanoate, that is a salt. And the next reaction is reaction with bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate. This is ethanoic acid, and it will react with sodium hydrogen carbonate or potassium hydrogen carbonate or magnesium hydrogen carbonate and etc. In this case, from here one hydrogen and from here one OH will form H2O, and from here CO2 will be removed out, and then after here will form one molecule of CH3COO and A, that means sodium ethanoate, that is a salt. So in this reaction salt will form, and with this reaction or with these properties, the special compound ethanoic acid and its property compound. So find this kind of benefitable videos, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.